Did you know that friends and family recommendations are by far the best way to get more users for your mobile app? All you need to do is to make it super easy for, say, Uncle Joe to recommend your app to his friends, and then ensure that his recommendation can convert to an actual app install with just a couple of clicks. And the best part is, you don't have to code it from scratch. App Invites from Google can take care of it for you. Hi, I'm Jarek Wilkiewicz. In this series, I'm covering things every developer needs to understand to be successful: user acquisition, engagement, and earning money. In this episode, we'll focus on user acquisition and touch upon user engagement. In late 2014, Ipsos conducted a study to investigate app discovery, acquisition, usage, and abandonment. 8,470 respondents aged 18 to 64 participated in the study. And when asked about how they became aware of an app, 52% identified their friends, family, and colleagues as the most trusted source. The same study found that #1 way to get a user to install or use an abandoned app again are discount coupons or credits towards next purchase, new content, friends or family recommendations, and new features. All right, so what does this mean to you as a developer? Well, you could try building an app sharing functionality and post-install onboarding hooks into your own app from scratch. Or you can integrate App Invites from Google, which is free, enables app sharing using SMS or over email, and supports personalized user onboarding for Android and iOS. Let's take a look at an example. I used to be a party man, but that was before the kids. Now, when my wife and I want to go out, we need a babysitter. The Urban Sitter app lets me find one. As you can see in the demo, Urban Sitter knows that I'm likely to be quite happy with the app when I find a babysitter, so it offers a button to share the app with my friends at checkout. The button launches an App Invites widget, which automatically suggests people I'm close to. I can send the invitation using email or SMS. When it arrives at my friend's inbox, the invitation is personalized, comes from a trusted source, me, and it contains a discount offer. Remember, discount offer increases conversions. Urban Sitter takes advantage of that. Upon installation, the recipient can't resist the discount offer and signs up for the service. Thanks to Urban Sitter and App Invites from Google, my friends can also go out and enjoy a good party. Let's look at another example. Remember Uncle Joe? Turns out he's a big fan of seafood, and so am I. When Uncle Joe finds a cool paella recipe with Yumly, a recipe app, he can share it with me. Yumly uses App Invites for content sharing, and the first email or SMS from Uncle Joe will trigger a quick install process for me. Next time, when Uncle Joe shares a yummy seared scallops recipe with me, the email or SMS from him will trigger a deep link directly into the Yumly app on my phone. As you can tell, even if I'm not a frequent Yumly user, the personalized recommendations I receive from Uncle Joe will make me use the app more often. This way, App Invites helps Yumly with user engagement, and you can do the same for your app. Let's look at some of the technical details now. You can get App Invites from Google Play Services or Cocoa Pods. The best way to start is to try the sample app for your platform. Let's take a quick look. In order to enable App Invites for your own app, go to g.co/appinvites and follow the instructions to set up your project. To share app content deep links, App Invites provides a widget out of the box, so you don't have to code that part. The invite email can be tailored by your application. For example, you can use a custom image and change the invite text. If you integrate App Invites into both your Android and iOS app, your users will be able to share app content cross-platform. For example, your Android users could send the app content to their iOS friends, who are then guided through the app install process in order to view it. Okay, we've covered sending invites. Let's now talk about the receiving side. Once the user clicks on the link delivered via SMS or email, if the app is not installed, the user is taken to the appropriate store. Because App Invites is deeply integrated with Google Play Services, on Android this process is seamless and it doesn't require browser redirects. Upon installation, the app can detect and refer a deep link using the App Invites API and act accordingly. For example, the deep link can contain discount coupon information to make sure the new user actually engages with the app. In the Urban Sitter example, the deep link contains the discount code. App Invites are pre-integrated with Google Analytics, so events such as sharing and install are tracked automatically and visualized in a handy dashboard. You can also report conversions in your own code using the provided API to track key events, such as the user making babysitter reservation after receiving the invite. Monitor conversions in the provided Google Analytics dashboard and slice or dice the data any way you please. Pretty cool, huh? And that's all there is to it. To learn more, go to g.co/appinvites. Your uncle is waiting.